Hey guys, new video for crypto. I haven't done one in quite a while. The last one that I did was when crypto was right in here, and I said we're about to have a pretty decent bear market, and that this bull run is over, and it has gone down substantially. Right now I have the Dogecoin chart on the screen, but I'm going to show you why the crypto market is about to become bullish. We're about to go into expansion, which means a new higher prices, which means bull run. So, very simple. This right here was the high like 5 years ago or 6 years ago. So came down, the bottom was the C19 crash right here, came up to this, which was a 236 retrace, came down, and then it did a bull run. Okay, well, from here, what did it do? It came down, 236. So that right there, you can make a very strong argument that it was that right there. They look identical in structure, you know. Let's look at some more stuff. If you move this frame right here to over here, I think it's kind of funny that it matches. Like, it almost perfectly is the exact same amount of, price difference. So, like, the market has gone down the same. If you look at the moving averages, the only one on the screen is the 200 week, and we'll put the Ichimoku cloud on the screen. So let's look what happened. Goes through, goes under the cloud, and has a bounce up to the cloud. Goes under the cloud, has a bounce up to the cloud. So that right there and that right there are the same moment in time. Comes down, has the crash, and the very first moment in time it gets above the cloud is right there. That goes down, very first moment in time above the cloud is right there. So I can't do that. Basically, according to the moving averages and the Ichimoku cloud and the Fibonacci retracement, those two areas are exactly the same thing, which is, I think, beyond incredibly interesting. Now let's look at the MACD and RSI. What's the MACD doing? Okay, let's get rid of this junk. And line chart. So from this quote bottom, it goes up, up, it goes up, up. So it looks kind of the same thing. Importantly, from this bottom to this bottom, it went higher, while this right here went lower. So that's hidden bullish divergence. That's what you want to see. And if you look over here, from there to there, it's higher. From here to here, it's lower. And actually, so that's hidden right here, where it made this low and a higher low. Over here, it made it low and a slightly lower low. That's classic bullish divergence. It's not terribly powerful, but it is classic bullish divergence, and it's a great sign that it looks like it wants to go up. So, last thing I want to show you is on the daily chart. So, right here was the bottom, the C19 bottom of March 2020. Dogecoin took exactly 420 days to make its top up here. Okay, 420. Do you think that's not? You think that's on accident? That's a weak joke if I've ever seen it. You know, who's ever controlling these markets he loves weak jokes. If you look at Bitcoin, it went up to 69K. So Bitcoin went up to 69. Dogecoin went up 420 days. So there's a 420, there's a 69. All right. So now let's look at something else that I think is interesting. So right here, that was C19. Guess what happened right here? That was the day that Israel and Hamas happened. So a major world event happened right here, C19. A major world event happened right here, Hamas, Israel. So that's the catalyst. That's exactly what's going on. Now, if you just copy and paste the bars, doesn't really match. Like it says, it should have already started moving up, but that's not a big deal. What I think is going to happen is it's slightly slower. And did I save it? Looks like I deleted it. But basically, I think it's going to take 469 days from the Israel-Hamas thing. So 469 days, and I think 469 just because 469, like it's another 69 joke. But 469 days is exactly on January 20th, or January 19th of 2025, which is the day the next U.S. president takes office. So markets are going up, and they're going to top on election day. So you should really buy crypto if you've not bought before, or if you do like crypto, buy more, because it's going to go up. Last coin I want to look at is, this is the one I've been buying, because I think it just looks phenomenal. Now, this is GST, it's complete garbage coin, but what I like about it is, look right here in these two yellow arrows, that's a falling wedge. It's a gorgeous falling wedge, and it has not broken out yet, but it has everything you need for a falling wedge. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 touch points on a falling wedge. That's ready to go. And right here is kind of what I think could be coming for GST. So right now it's worth a penny, and I think we're going to see bare minimum $2, and I think it could very well pop up to like $20. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Crypto's about to be bullish, crazy bullish, and I think GST is going to be one of the bigger ones. I think it has 100x bare minimum up to this 236. Another reason I think that 236 is going to reject, at least for a while, is the screen's lagging. If you look right here, that little wick down that happened right there, that's proof that this is a very important price location. And it happened so long ago, but it's going to reject, at least temporarily. Probably just temporarily. It'll probably make a little blip up higher. But yeah, I will sell some at $2, and I'll sell all pretty much the moment it makes all-time highs, somewhere around $15, $20, $25. So buy some GST. Don't buy Dogecoin. It's not going to go crazy. GST is about to do it. GST is falling wedge. It is so real. It is so legit. It is so gorgeous. And the Fed's about to turn on the money printer, guys. Be a part of it. Get rich. This is your chance.